Ever wondered how businesses manage their inventory and what methods they use? Two of the most common methods are FIFO and LIFO, each with its own unique approach. First up, we have FIFO, or first in, first out. This inventory accounting method operates under the assumption that the oldest items in inventory are sold first. For example, if a store purchases 100 units of a product at $10 each, then another 100 units at $12 each, and then sells 120 units, the cost of goods sold would be calculated based on the $10 cost of the first 100 units and the $12 cost of the 20 remaining units. The advantages? FIFO often mirrors the actual flow of goods in many industries and generally adheres to accounting standards. Plus, during inflation, FIFO can result in a higher ending inventory value, which can lead to lower taxable income. But it's not all roses. FIFO may not always reflect current market prices and could potentially overstate profits during inflationary periods. Also, for businesses with large inventories, FIFO can be a bit complex to manage. Then there's LIFO, or last in, first out. This method assumes that the most recently acquired items are the first to go. So if we take the same example as before, the cost of goods sold under LIFO would be calculated based on the $12 cost of the last 120 units purchased. The upside? LIFO matches current costs with current revenues in times of inflation and can be simpler to understand and implement. It can also result in tax savings by reducing taxable income during inflationary periods. But, like FIFO, LIFO has its downsides. It doesn't reflect the actual flow of goods in most industries and isn't generally permitted under international financial reporting standards. Plus, it can result in lower ending inventory values, which may affect balance sheet ratios and financial analysis. So FIFO or LIFO? Both have their advantages and disadvantages. The choice depends on various factors, including industry norms, tax implications, and the specific circumstances of the business. FIFO is more commonly used due to its conformity to accounting standards, while LIFO may provide tax benefits during inflationary periods but is more limited in its applicability and acceptance. Understanding these methods is key to effective inventory management and can significantly impact a business's bottom line. So, whether you're running a small business or managing a multinational corporation, it's worth taking the time to explore these methods and choose the one that best suits your needs.